In this video, I'll guide you through how to update your phone number in Vrbo. Whether you've changed your number recently or simply need to ensure your details stay current, keeping your contact information up to date is crucial for seamless communication on the platform. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to log into your Vrbo account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find your profile icon. This is your gateway to all your personal settings on Vrbo. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My Profile. This section is where all your basic information is housed, and it's the first stop on our journey to updating your phone number. Now that you're in the My Profile section, you'll notice an edit button next to your basic info. This is where you can make changes to your personal details. Alternatively, you might find it easier to navigate to the Settings tab, where you'll also have access to your information. Both paths will get you to the right place, so feel free to choose whichever is more comfortable for you. Next, it's time to update your phone number. Simply click or tap on the existing number and enter your new one. It's important to ensure that you're entering your number correctly, as this will be used for all communication from Vrbo, including important notifications and alerts related to your bookings and inquiries. At this point, you might be asked to verify your new number. This is a crucial step in maintaining the security of your account. Vrbo uses two-factor authentication or 2FA to help protect your information. When you update your phone number, a text code may be sent to your new number immediately. This verification process ensures that the number is correct and that you have access to it. Simply enter the code you receive into the verification field and you'll be all set. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your phone number in Vrbo. Remember, keeping your contact information current is not just about convenience, but also about security and ensuring that you don't miss out on any important communications from Vrbo. If you ever need to update it again, just follow these simple steps. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it made the process straightforward and easy to understand. If you have any questions or need further assistance, Vrbo's support team is always there to help. Thank you for watching and happy travels.